And as we get into tonight, again, temperature is going to be finally working their way back out of the 80s here as we get into the next couple of hours, as we fall back into the 70s by 8, 9, 10 o'clock, and then continuing that cooling trend as we go into the overnight hours with those mostly clear skies. We'll eventually settle back down right around those low 60s here across mid-Missouri. Might even be cool enough to generate some fog. I think if we do it again, it's the usual cast of characters we're going to look out for down in Jefferson City, right along those area riverways. But by tomorrow, again, here we go, back to near 90 degrees by the afternoon. But you notice something's a little bit different. Look at what's looming just to our north and west. A cold front starting to move back in as we get into the afternoon and evening hours, and actually going to be carrying some showers and thunderstorms with it. Most data continues to kind of thin a lot of this out as these push back in, and I think that's what we're ultimately going to end up seeing. But again, bears watching if you're going to be maybe rooting on that hometown team north of I-70, really kind of north of Highway 24 at this point. Most of us, though, just going to get a little bit of cloud cover out of this as we get into tomorrow night. So not too concerned about it here as we get into Sports Zone Football Friday. We're heading over to Battle High School as the Spartans host the Cupies. Kickoff looking like 81 degrees. We'll get back into the mid-70s. Again, kind of like tonight as we get into tomorrow night. More of the same, it looks like, even as we get into Saturday night, right on into Sunday. That tailgate on Saturday, at least it's a little bit earlier. Again, they picked a good weekend to do it with the highs getting back to near 90 degrees on Saturday afternoon with that kickoff at 11 a.m. But look at that, some fall-like weather just in time. Mother Nature looks like she's trying to be pretty festive by the middle of next week. We'll be tracking that as we get into next week itself.